Ty, say morning to Faves. Louder, they can't hear you.
Morning, Faves.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
Hi guys. Not like that, only good morning.
Okay, the reason why Mama said good morning, good afternoon, and good night is because I don't know what time of day they are watching the vlogs. It's morning for us, so that's why I say all three, because they might be watching it afternoon or they might be watching it in the night. So either ways they get a greeting. Do you understand? Right? Okay. He's putting me in my place, saying only good morning because it's morning for us. How are you guys doing? It is Saturday morning and we are out and about, of course, as usual. Today we have a couple of things. What's wrong with this person? Why is he in the middle of the road?
All in the middle of the road on the giant.
Today we have a couple of things to do. We are on a mission today. We are going to do either shopping or window shopping for baby girl. I like to explore my options before I buy things based off past experience with Tyler. And my specific mission today is stroller. And with Tyler, the stroller that we had, we bought it online and it was huge. It couldn't even hold in our car when we fold it, and we had so many problems with that stroller in terms of the wheel went bad after a while, and the stroller was just too big. It was a really nice stroller, but it just didn't work well. What happened? It hurt your ears? You scratch? Okay, so scratch it. It's a beautiful day outside, however, so it's a good day to be out with the family. I feel good. I feel better than I did yesterday, though I had a rough night with coughing. But as babe said, in the day I look and feel much better than in the night, and today I feel better than in the day yesterday afternoon. So we are, you want to put it on?
Because it's not popping.
It's this way. It's this way. There we go. So yeah, so hopefully you guys are having a good day. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We are on our way to do some shopping and also do supermarket today, and let's see what else we're gonna do for the rest of the day. But we out here in these streets, so
Mama,
let's get this day popping. Yes, Tyler?
after the supermarket, I want to go in the big Papa Chola.
You want to go in the big Papa Stroller? I'm not sure about that. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, anyway, you guys.
Mama!
Yes, Stella?
To go in the big Papa Chola.
Honey, a park is somewhere here? Why is saying park corniche fleurie? It's a property private.
The name is like Horizon or something.
Okay. Anyway, you guys, have a good day and I'll catch you guys later. Yes, Stella?
I want to go in the big Papa Chola.
Where is it? When you see it, you show Mama, okay? Alright. You see plates. I want to see their monitors too to see what they look like.
Mama,
Yes, Dad.
what is that I see?
Is this a humidifier? No, it's a sterilizer. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to check all those things. Oh, cute.
Mama.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You want it?
It's my glasses. It's not your glasses.
I know it is your glasses. Hi, Che.
Mama,
Yes, Stella.
why is this so big? This is not so she can eat.
Oh, you say you want to buy that for baby sister so she can eat. Oh, damn, but it's expensive though. Shit.
Cow. 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 Mama, cow. Mama,
Yes, Dad.
if this is a cow.
We
Mama.
need one of these.
Mama.
Yes, Dad.
This is a cow.
Yeah. Honey,
Mama.
that's the yo-yo behind you.
Hmm?
The yo-yo behind you.
Mama.
Yes.
I want to buy this for baby sister.
You wanna buy that for baby
Take it
sister?
and buy it home.
We soon, when you come into the hospital to look for mama when baby sister is born, you can bring her a gift, okay?
Okay.
Mama, story, Stella.
She is good.
Yeah, she's a girl. Baby sister is a girl. Oh, you're gonna buy one of these for baby sister, look. You're gonna buy one of these for baby sister? Yeah?
Mama,
Yes.
guess what? They already have that.
Yes, you do. Come on.
Back on the wheel, remember? You lost your...
This feel like I'm pushing twins.
Yeah,
It's too big.
it's too wide.
Oh yeah. Choosing a stroller is the hardest. We're at store number 2 and I don't see anything that I like. I mean, I see things that I like, but not what I want. We're looking for a small stroller that when we're traveling, we don't have to buy a new stroller. So we're looking for small wheels, and when it folds, it can hold in our car. But let's see what we'll find. Tyler! Tyler! You find it? You find back your car? Yeah. Next time you be careful, okay? Okay? Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely. Yes. I think that's how they're gonna do everywhere.
The good thing about this is they going up to the dump.
You guys, we are at KFC and the line in here is ridiculous. Your girl wants wings, so we shall wait on it. It's full in here, Tyler. Hi. Tell them where we are. Why is your lips so blue? Look. What were you eating? Boing. What were you eating? M&M. You are blue. Hi guys, you guys, today was such a long day out, man. We walked and we window shop as much as we can for strollers just to get our ideas going, but I don't think I really saw anything that caught my eye. What is this in my hair? That's gel. No, that's oil. Oh my gosh, I can feel it. Oh lordy. We window shop as much as we can to get our strollers ideas going, and I saw some, but I don't see anything that stick out to me that I say boom. So I think finally we're gonna buy our stroller online and our car seat online. So yeah, that was that, and we went to the supermarket. I was so tired, so I stayed in the car and Tyler was sleeping, so it was a good opportunity to stay in the car while babe went and did supermarket. And then we got back home and we just chilled and chatted and just relaxed until, of course, the hunger kicked in. We forget that we left something that we really need on a daily basis at the supermarket, so babe just gone up the street to get it because Tyler can't do without that. And I'm here putting some love into dinner, so I'm making dinner right now. And for dinner, let me show you guys what's up here. I am making some rice, and over here I have cabbage and carrot with some more veggies going, and then boom, the corned beef is going to be added to that. And then in here I have dumpling and green banana, which Tyler and I are gonna have. Tyler love boiled dumpling, and I'm gonna have the bananas, of course, but I'm not sure whether I'm gonna have the rice or I'm gonna have the banana, so I cook both. So that's dinner going down right now. Tyler is down there on his tablet. Ty, say hi to the faves. Sorry about coughing. My coughing is getting better, but it's still there, it's still dry. The more I talk is the more I cough. So I'm gonna leave you guys right now and wait on babe to come, and when dinner is finished I'll show you guys what it looks like, of course. Comment down below and let me know what you guys making for dinner today. It is Saturday, and I wasn't even going to cook. We were gonna go out for dinner, but I said, you know what, let me just cook. So no soup on the menu today. So I'm just whipping this up real quick so we can have dinner in a bit. This is dinner. Cabbage and sawfish over there bubbling, ready. Dumplings and bananas and rice. Dinner is done. Looks so good. Time to dig in.